People are always trying to get me to play Twister, but I'm the first one out every time. I'm just not as bendable as I once was. Honestly, just one sneeze and there goes my back. But with Amphenol Commercial IX Industrial IP20 right angle cable assemblies, you can achieve a 90-degree bend in all four directions, up, down, left, and right, to enable IoT connectivity supporting Ethernet IP, Profinet, DeviceNet, EtherCAT, Modbus, and other common protocols. Connections are made with 2-point metal latches for secure mating at 25% the size of RJ45, offering greater durability and increased port density with a 10mm pitch. The IP20 connectors provide 360-degree EMI shielding and power over Ethernet capability with Cat6a data performance. These next-generation industrial IoT connectors are fully intermatable with other vendor products and comply with IEC connector requirements, making them ideal for industrial and instrumentation, data, and medical applications.